In this Systeme pixel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Facebook pixel or any other pixel inside your funnel in Systeme. There are two ways to do so, okay? So I'm going to show you both, so watch this video till the end. So first method is go to funnels and go to the exact sales funnel that you want to install your pixel in. So for example, let's say this is the funnel. Let's click on it and then click on edit and then click on this setting. Scroll below and you can see this edit header code. You can click on this question mark and you can see tracking system like Google Analytics, Facebook pixel. Just click on this edit header code and then paste your pixel at here in this way and then just click on save. So now Facebook pixel is installed only in this page, okay? If you want to install Facebook pixel in another page in the same funnel, then you can again repeat that process, okay? Let's say you have another step at here, then you need to install the Facebook pixel again, okay? So that's why you need to know about the second method to install the pixel in your funnels. Before continuing, I have a small announcement for you. In case if you want to do each and everything inside Systeme.io with the help of easy to follow step-by-step tutorials, then my Systeme.io full course is for you. And I have given the link of that course in the description of this YouTube video. If you want to continue using Systeme.io for lifelong, then this course is going to be a must-have thing for you. Now let's continue with our video. So for another method, you can just click on here and go to this settings. And then you can scroll below and here you can see sales funnel setting. Just click on it. And then here you can see tracking code. So if you click on here and you can read the code that is inserted between the head tags, okay? It will also be installed in head tags, but in all of your funnels, okay? You don't need to again and again install that pixel here. So just simply paste the pixel here and click on save. That's it, guys.